Yes, I did a doorbell in Minecraft. Basically, you can just define your doorbell here and then ring the bell. This is a plugin combined with this hardware client. So now I wanted to show you how to create these doorbells. So first you need a Minecraft server. So let's just create a folder. Let's just create a folder, Minecraft server. So in this folder we need the paper jar from paper. So just go to paperimc.io, go to downloads, paper, and download the newest version. Copy this paper jar, rename it to paper.jar, create a new file called eula.txt. In this file write eula equals true. But first read eula. Now create a new file called start.bat. And enter the following text. This is for disabling the echo of the command prompt. This is the Java command. This specifies we don't need a GUI. So then you can press the start button. And the server is creating itself. Perfect. Then you go into the plugins folder. And here you have to go into my repository. Here to the version 1. And download the doorbell.jar. And then copy this doorbell.jar in the plugins folder. Now just restart your Minecraft server. Perfect, now you see the server is started. Now you can open your Minecraft. Perfect, now I can OP myself. Perfect. And now I show you how to create the hardware client. For this, please reference my Git repository. Here is a screenshot of how it should look like, and all the components are listed here, and all the pinouts are listed here. Just build it like that. If you want a future tutorial on how to build it, just leave a comment. So, when you build the hardware client, you need a micro SD card. You can enter this micro SD card in a SD card adapter and plug it into the computer. So when this SD card is now here, just be sure it's formatted in FAT32 for this type of SD card reader. On this drive, create a new file called conf without the txt. Edit this file. Then copy the JSON from the Git repository and enter your SSID and password. Now, the hostname is the hostname of your computer. The port is 1337, that's okay. And then here your Minecraft username. Perfect. Now you need a client password. You can generate this client password on the Minecraft server by typing // client register. And now you got your password. You could just click on it and then you have it copied. Now enter the password in your JSON file and you're finished. Save the file and close the config. Now you can take your SD card again and insert it to your SD card reader and then start up the Arduino just by plugging it in. Now it tries to make a connection with the Wi-Fi and the TCP server, and the green LED shows it has worked. On the server you see the client has connected. Currently there is no doorbell existing. I just built a little house. So, perfect little house. Now I can enter a door button. Currently this just opens the door. Now I need a sign This could be any sign. I just use the warped sign because it's so ugly. Now, on the first line, just enter doorbell. The second name is the username of the user. Now I, just use a fake username. This username does not exist and does not have a doorbell. Now, if I press the doorbell button, I get an error message. There was no doorbell found for user HP1. Let's use my real name. And then the doorbell rings with my username written here. This is the username of the user that rang the doorbell. Now, there's a global cooldown for this doorbell here, or for any doorbell with my name. Let's just do another one. This can be anywhere. This doesn't need to be near a door or in the same region even. You can also do it in the nether or some. Then let's just ring the doorbell again. Perfect. And now the other doorbell. I can't do it twice. There's global cooldown for every doorbell for my name. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you want to have a look at the source code by yourself, you can do this in my public Git repository. It's linked in the description. Here you can see the client code and the Minecraft plugin. If you want to see exactly how I built it, I made 6 live streams in which I documented the whole process.